Good morning guys, today I would like to show you how to add multiple stops on your Apple Maps. So at first open Apple Maps, here you've got the road that you're going through, and once you want to add some stop, let me add it, for example the first one by dropping a pin. So let me do it like this, just tap and hold, click on add stop and place it in the proper order. So this is the first way to add some stop, and then another one could be added from here. So just tap on add stop, place it whenever you want, and here your road will be recalculated. Just give it a couple of seconds. So here it is. Obviously you can add as many stops as you wish. However you like. So you can either just drop a pin to add the stop, or do it from this panel by tapping on add stop. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.